Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the app you want on one side. Open it now. Once the app is active, swipe up or tap the Recent Apps button to reveal running apps. You will see a split screen icon, 2 rectangles on supported apps. Tap it or long press the app card and choose split screen. This action pins the first app to the top or left. Make sure the app supports multi-window. If it does not, the option will be dimmed or absent. Once the first app occupies one half, pick the second app immediately. You can choose it from Recent Apps or the app drawer. Drag the second app into the open space or simply tap it to place it into the other half. After both apps appear, adjust the center divider with your finger to resize each pane. To swap positions, use the swap icon or drag app cards in Recent Apps. Remember, some apps behave differently in split. Test input and media playback to confirm expected behavior. To finish, drag the middle divider all the way to one side or use the on-screen close control to return to full screen. This closes split mode cleanly. You can swap apps, rotate the device, and resize as needed for multitasking or media viewing. If split screen does not appear, make sure split screen is enabled in settings, sometimes under Smart Sidebar, Multi-Window, or Gestures, and confirm both apps support multi-window. If problems persist, restart the phone or install system updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.